In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get money from Floatme. We'll walk through the process on desktop so you know exactly where to click and what to expect, and I'll share a few tips to keep everything smooth from request to repayment. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, or Safari all work well. In the address bar, type floatme.com and press enter. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button and click it. This takes you to the secure sign-in page. Enter the email and password you use for your Floatme account. If you're prompted for verification, complete it using the one-time code sent to your phone or email. This step helps protect your account, so be sure you're on the official site and that you have a stable internet connection before proceeding. After you sign in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here's where you check whether an advance is currently available. Look for options like Request Advance, Get Cash, or a displayed available advance amount. If you see any of those, click through to continue. If you don't see the option on desktop, that simply means you'll need to use the Floatme mobile app to request funds at this time. If the desktop option is available, you'll be asked to select your advance amount based on your current limit. Choose the amount that fits your needs. Next, pick your delivery speed. Standard delivery is typically free and may take 1 to 3 business days to arrive. Instant delivery can get money to you more quickly, though it may include a small fee. Think about your timeline and any upcoming expenses to decide which makes the most sense. Remember that business days exclude weekends and bank holidays, which can affect timing. Before submitting, review the details carefully. Confirm the advance amount, double-check the repayment date, and look over any optional tip if it's shown. Make sure the bank account listed is the one you expect to receive the deposit into. When everything looks right, click Confirm. Your request will be processed and the funds will be deposited into your linked bank account according to the delivery method you chose. For repayment, Floatme automatically withdraws the amount on your next payday. To avoid hiccups, ensure your bank account has enough balance on that date and that you're aware of the exact repayment day shown during confirmation. It's a good idea to set a reminder and keep a small buffer in your account for processing times. And that's it. You've learned how to request money from Floatme on desktop, what to look for on your dashboard, and how to confirm and prepare for repayment with confidence.